大家好，我是欧洲经贸办事处处长 Filip Grzegorzewski. The European Economic and Trade Office will be co-organizing the 2023 Daniel Pearl World Music Day at the Taipei City Hakka Cultural Park on the 30th of September. This event aims to promote press freedom and commemorate the life of Wall Street Journal reporter Daniel Pearl, who was murdered in 2002 while reporting. Press freedom is the cornerstone of democracy. Free, diverse and independent media empower people to make informed decisions. It also sheds light on human rights violations and holds those in power accountable. Without journalists, democracy cannot thrive. But press freedom remains at stake in many parts of the world. Far too often, journalists face threats and attacks for speaking the truth, and the perpetrators often act with impunity. This is why the European Union is committed to promoting press freedom in the European Union and around the world. Within the EU, we are taking actions to regulate digital services and markets, and we are proposing an EU Media Freedom Act. In Taiwan, we have worked with local CSOs, local NGOs, to organize seminars on press freedom and media literacy and invited EU experts to share their experience. And we are honored to be able to support the 2023 Daniel Pearl World Music Day. Please join us in promoting press freedom and celebrating universal friendship at the Daniel Pearl World Music Day. Come, enjoy the live music and be part of this important conversation. See you at the Taipei City Hakka Cultural Park on the 30th of September.